Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how I made this Earth chocolate bomb. So I started off with some lemon extract and I got some pearl dust and this painting brush for food, and I got the extract, put it in a little container, got some of the dust, put it in, and then I mixed it all up. And what I did afterwards is I used the paintbrush and I painted the mold. So this gives it, like kind of a starry look, to make it, well, not starry, but more like oceany, I guess, in the water when you look at a globe, right? Or an atlas. So I painted it, and then I painted the frame of the continents. So I did North America and South America here. I messed up a little bit at first, but I fixed it up. Also, you might want to do this in reverse so that it shows up looking normal when you take out your finished product. I learned that the hard way. It's all good. Anyway, so I did that, and then I just kind of did like a very vague shape of, Europe and Asia and Australia and Africa and as much as I could fit on there. It's not very accurate, but you get the idea. It's kind of fun. So I just did the outline, and then later on I filled in the actual continents. And then I got some blue and I filled in the water. So in between I put this in the fridge. You either put it in the fridge or you just let it sit out for a while so the continents can dry first, and then you put in the ocean. So green first, then blue. Okay, and then I just made sure I filled in all the cracks. So I got a spoon and I just kind of filled in the blue spots, or where the empty spots were. Okay, and always create a ridge so that you can melt your chocolate bomb together nicely. So I did that. I put in the fridge for a bit, and now it's time to take out the shells. So I'm taking out the first one. See, there you go. Looks kind of neat. Alright, so they're both them together. Now it's ready to dress up with the chocolate mix. This is a white hot chocolate mix. Put a couple tablespoons in there, and you add your marshmallows. These are moon shaped and they're blue too. So again, that's a hot pan, and I carefully just kind of melted the chocolate and then I fused it together. So do this really quick. The quicker the better. You might have some gaps, as is the case, so I just piped out some more of the blue along the side and I ran it along with my finger. Make sure you're wearing gloves at this point because you can very easily melt the chocolate bomb, and you don't want to do that yet. Alright, so I just put it on a cupcake holder and showtime. Pretty cool, huh? I like it. Thank you so much for watching this video here on Yay Fun Times. I have another video coming up next that's going to be galaxy themed and sun themed, keeping up on the celestial bodies, going on. So make sure you watch it, and I'll see you later. Bye.